guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday and happy Tuesday. So today I plan to take the girls for a walk and then might just probably pop to like a supermarket or something to get some things, you know, because the house is absolutely empty. Okay, I literally have nothing to cook. Okay, so it's like I need to go to shopping. So yeah, I'm gonna pop to a supermarket, see if I can get one or two things, you know, and then I'll take you guys along with me. So when I get back, then we're gonna carry on talking. I'm just gonna try to do a little bit more, you know. So yeah, literally weather is quite nice today, you guys. The weather is quite nice. It's really sunny. It's so hot. Well, not so hot, but it's hot and sunny, really nice. And I'm just here with my cup of coffee as usual. I cannot do without my coffee. I don't know about you guys, but I love having coffee every morning. Okay, so I have to have my coffee to get me going, to keep me in the mood. Okay, we have to get a little bit excited every time we see like a little bit of sun. So it's like, where's the shoulder? So give them a bit of shoulder, okay? My shoulder's quite dry though. And happy quarantine. I don't understand. This quarantine thing is like making some people lose their minds, because I feel like some people are not used to they're not used to staying at home all day doing nothing, you know. Most people like to go out and do stuff. It doesn't affect me because I'm a private person. I like I stay at home most of the time. Like I'm at home most of the time. I do like things at home. Like I don't really go out, so it's like quarantine or no quarantine, it's literally got nothing on me. So, and the people that is affecting, I mean, just try to do something fun. Like, I don't know, do something, put on makeup, try and make a wig, you know, that eyebrows that you've always wanted to know how to do properly. Why don't you sit in front of your mirror and try to get it right? Watch YouTube and, you know, keep yourself entertained and motivated, you know. So just do something. Most people are working from home at the moment, so it's like you don't have to go out. Seriously, going out costs you a lot of money, but when you stay at home, you actually save money. You save a lot of money staying at home. Like, I don't like going out. I don't like it. I like staying at home, watching movies, doing things that I like to do, being on Snapchat, making a fool of myself, you know, things like that. It's things that I kind of enjoy doing, you know. So like, yeah, I love doing stuff like that. When I'm at home, I do like loads of stupid things, and I just find it really, you know, like it doesn't bother me. Anyways, quarantine, no quarantine. If this quarantine thing is bothering you guys, what you can do is just stay in the grass, sit outside in your garden, in the grass. I'm joking. So yeah, anyways, I don't want to talk too much. I feel like I should go to where I need to go now before, you know, it starts to get late. So yeah, come on. Go. I want to try something. How do I do it?
You just turn it at the back. Turn the phone, or you can just press the...
Should we go this way, or should we go this way or that way?
That way!
You know, since I've lived in this area, I've never actually walked down that road before. Let's just go to the way that I know, okay? Which is that road.
I want to explore.
Yeah, I want to go down that side as well. Let's go. So remember when you get to Morrison's, yeah? Remember, no touching. Don't touch stuff. Do not touch anything. And if you touch anything, don't put your hands in your face, okay? Don't touch your face, okay?
Not even now.
Huh?
Not even now.
Not even now. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face.
You are the reason why I make it through. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, you are the only one, yeah, that is true. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always, forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number.
We ended up going to Morrison's to pick up some food, you know, and I'm about to cook right now because I am starving. I didn't get everything because there was literally nothing. I also managed to find one pasta, so I had to just grab it. Like, pasta, do you know how long I haven't had pasta? Like a week. It seems like forever. It's like, I love pasta and it's just so easy to cook. So it's like, where do I get pasta from? Like, there's no pastas in shops. So that's what I'm gonna make right now. I'm also gonna make some. I'm also gonna make sauce for it. And yeah, literally it was like a nightmare going out. You know, like we have no choice. We have to go and do some food shopping. Apart from that, I don't feel like going out is something you need to be doing right now because, like they said, stay in your house. Okay.
You're the only one I think about, yeah. You're the only one for me. The only one I care about, yeah. About, yeah. Thinking about you day and night, yeah. You're the only one for me. I just wanna get it right, yeah. Right, yeah. Ooh, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky. It's you and me tonight. Ooh, baby. You know that we're something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know we got it. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. It's amazing how you rock my world. You're the only one for me. Never thought that I would be a girl. You're the only ooh, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky. It's you and me tonight. Ooh, baby. You know that we're something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby.
So guys, I am going to end the video. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I obviously enjoyed filming this video for you guys, and I also just wanted to say that everything is happening for a reason. Everything that is happening in this world is happening for a reason. You guys need to carry on praying and seek God first in whatever you do. seek him, ask for his hands, ask for forgiveness, and seek him in whatever you do. Ask for permission before you do stuff, because he wants you to ask him for permission. He wants you to seek his hands. He wants to lead you through, you know. So I just feel like we just need to pray and just keep praying, okay? Keep praying and ask for forgiveness. That's all I'm gonna say. And also I received a package today. Obviously it's from Decenio. I was gonna open that with you guys, but I was just not feeling it. But it's just two frames that I got, two picture frames that I got from Decenio. You know, it's just two picture frames, nothing special. But I'm gonna open it. Okay. So I just got these two picture frames because I'm sure that you guys know that I planned to finish off my picture wall in the living room. So I got two of these, and then I got two other pictures to go with it. So this is the second one. Okay. So the pictures is right here. So this is what the pictures are looking like. So I just got this like pink and black picture, really nice, love it. And then also this one as well. So yeah, I got these two pictures and the frames from Decenio, and I love them. I can't wait to put them on the wall. So that's all I got today. That's what I wanted to open with you guys. So that's everything that I want to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mary. You are most definitely welcome. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.